The principle of indemnity. What does it actually entail? Now, the principle of indemnity in insurance, it's a principle that states that the insurance company should actually return you back to the position you were before the actual claim happened or actual loss occurred. Let's say, for example, you had a vehicle which was worth 1 million, and that is as per the current valuation. The insurance company should actually pay you 1 million if the claim is payable. And now that principle of indemnity brings in the other aspects of indemnifying you. You find a vehicle which is worth 1 million, you will give them the salvage. The salvage will be transferred to the insurance company, and the insurance company will sort you the 1 million Kenya shillings. The other option would be they always give that opportunity to the insured to actually confirm whether he is interested in the salvage. They give a salvage value, and of which, let's say, for example, that vehicle is worth 1 million. It has been given a salvage value of 400,000 shillings. So what do? You tick that you need that vehicle. When you tick you need that vehicle, the insurance company will actually give you a release letter if the vehicle was garaged or it was in an assessment center where they had already appointed. And again, they will pay you the balance of 600 to make sure that they indemnify you to the position you were. You'll never get more. You'll never get less from insurance company. That is what they normally do. And that is basically the principle of indemnity. That principle, the only place it doesn't qualify is when it comes to life insurance, because you cannot indemnify someone's life. You cannot bring that person's life back. That's why it's called life assurance.